I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. Today I want to visit with you for just a few moments about short sales. Some of you may know them as pre-foreclosure or foreclosure prevention, various kinds of names that might be familiar to you. But basically, what a short sale is, some say quick sale, but it's actually called a short sale. When you find yourself in financial straits or financial destruction, you've gotten a divorce, you've changed your financial picture. Most likely, it's been an unfortunate or unplanned change to your financial profile. And now your mortgage, your home, is no longer affordable. That's what I'm going to talk about today. Now, first, before I say that, for the most part, most of us who have bought our home anytime before 2021, I mean anytime, you should be able to sell your home right out. Just outright sell it because the values have increased so much over the last 2 years that you should be able to just sell your home if some kind of situation has found you uncomfortable in this mortgage that you have now purchased. Um, 20, 30, 40, 50% increase in the value of homes in many situations throughout the United States. So for the most part, you should be able to sell your home. But if that's not your case, because maybe you've taken out a second or you've gotten a loan on your mortgage, you've gotten a equity line, and now it's uncomfortable. You just can't make these payments. Now you've got one lien, two liens, maybe three liens on your home, or someone else has put a lien on your home because you had some work done on it and now there's a lien, or you had a credit card and they're coming after you on that monthly payment or the payment all total, and it's been assessed to your property as a lien. So those are the kinds of situations that make it uncomfortable to continue in the mortgage that you have in this home. So now you've got mounting problems. That's what I'm talking about. This is the solution. It's called a short sale. What you are going to have to do is first find a realtor who's knowledgeable about how to perform a short sale. And then they will be able to walk you through all of the steps that I'm about to talk to you about today. Basically, you're going to have to come up with all of the paperwork that was required to get the mortgage. You're going to need that same paperwork to get out of it. Now, the reason that you want to do a short sale is to just clear up your credit faster so that on your way to recovery, it's a lot easier, a lot faster, and it still shows up on your credit as paid as agreed. Yeah, that's the important part. Is on your mortgage, your credit profile, it says that your loan, your lien, your debt was paid as agreed. It's a little stain when you do a short sale, but it's a little one. So that's the reason that you want to go through with this short sale. One more reason it's extremely important is sometimes they will actually help you to move on to wherever it is that you have to go. So the bank, in addition to getting you out of this lien, and the other liens as well, will sometimes give you a small stipend to get out of the house to allow the person who has purchased it to move on. So no, you're not going to have a huge amount of equity that's going to be in your pocket because you've probably taken it out or whatever the situation. That's not what I'm talking about. I am telling you that the bank will sometimes afford you $1,000, $2,000. I don't know what that number is, but it's important to know that they will sometimes help you to get up and get on out of the house that you're now forced to sell. It's preventing you from going into foreclosure. And that's where the ugly stain is. We don't want that. So here's what you need to do. You're going to present a letter that says, I have a mishap, an unfortunate situation. It's a letter that says, here's what my problems are. And you want to make them cry when they read this letter. So basically what I'm saying is you're going to go ahead and detail what the horrible situation is and why you need to do a short sale. That's one letter. The second letter that you need to provide for them is a letter that says, I'm authorizing my realtor to talk to you on my behalf. Because you really don't know what you need to do and what you need to provide and what you need to follow up on. So you get that realtor that does know to talk on your behalf. So that's two letters that you're going to need to provide to your mortgage company. My hardship letter, that's what it's called. The hardship is, I lost my dog, I killed my cat, and all the whatever it is that caused this hardship that you're now in. And the letter that authorizes your realtor to talk to them on your behalf. Then you're going to need two of everything after that. 2 months of bank statements, 2 months of proof of your income, and you need 2 years of what your income is, your taxes, 2 years of taxes, two bank statements, 2 months, 2 months worth of your income or lack thereof. So even if it's your income, whatever you're getting is um, a Social Security um, a statement or unemployment statement or whatever the kind of income it is, you need 2 months. Okay. And you also need 2 years of taxes to show what your income has been over that time. And you're going to need to keep up with that, keeping them informed until the short sale is approved. And in most cases, it will be approved. So that's pretty much what you're going to need to provide as documentation. And if you can do it all rapidly and quickly, efficiently, then the approval comes very quickly. Someone is able to buy the house and enjoy it for whatever the value of the house is. And you go on about your life, and that is a paid as agreed that shows up on your credit profile. So once you're back on your feet, you're able to buy a home again without having a foreclosure. Sound good? That's pretty much what it is. A short sale, pre foreclosure. People like to, there's all sorts of different names for it out there, but it is actually called a short sale. And that's what it is and why you want to do that if you find yourself in that situation. I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. That's a quick one about what a short sale is.